I've had my mill out at this farm near Jindivick for the last few weeks, and we've had some really nice weather. I've been milling this batch of smaller logs, there are 25 of them there, and the biggest one I think's probably been about 500 mil diameter. This one was around the sort of 350 mark, so a bit on the skinny side, but I still got some posts and some boards out of it. And I'll put a photo in here of some boards I got off one of the logs. A lot of them have had really clear grain as a result of the trees not having many branches, and they've just been a delight to mill. They're just really nice logs.